arena of 4x8 Gurkha Rifles.
సేవా పరమో ధర్మం అనే నినాదంతో దేశ రక్షణలో అంకిత భావంతో నడిచిన భారత సైనిక దళం కెప్టెన్ కె అవినాష్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో గౌరవప్రదంగా presenting the pride of the Indian Air Force is the contingent of the Indian Air Force led by Flying Officer Garvit Sharma. Their motto is Namaha Sparsham Deektam, touch the sky with glory. ధైర్యం నైపుణ్యం మరియు ఖచ్చితత్వానికి వ్యతిరేకంగా నిలిచి భారత వైమానికతను మన మొత్తం ప్రభావితం చేస్తోంది.
Now you can see Indian Coast Guard who enforced the maritime law with the motto Vayam Rakshamah. The marching contingent is led by Deputy Commandant Atul Kumar Verma.
अब आप तटरक्षक बल के कंटिंजेंट को देख सकते हैं जिसका आदर्श वाक्य है वयम रक्षामः अर्थात हम रक्षा करते हैं.
सबसे सही ब्लॉग.
Behold the poise and pride with which Captain KSN Naidu retired leads the veteran contingent, comprising distinguished ex-servicemen of the Indian Navy.
భారత నౌకాదళానికి చెందిన ప్రముఖ మాజీ సైనికులతో కూడిన అనుభవజ్ఞులైన దళాన్ని కెప్టెన్ కేఎస్ఎన్ నాయుడు రిటైర్డ్ ఎంత ధైర్యంగా మరియు గర్వంగా నడిపిస్తున్నారో చూడండి. Marching proudly is the contingent from Sainik School, Korukonda, led by Cadet Manmohan Mishra. మన్మోహన్ మిశ్రా నేతృత్వంలో కోరుకొండ సైనిక్ స్కూల్ బృందం గర్వంగా కవాతు చేస్తోంది. This school has produced many high-ranking officers in the defense forces and important personalities in civil walks of life. And now, ladies and gentlemen, playing these vibrant tunes coming right in front of you is the mesmerizing contingent of the Navy Children's School Band, led by Ms. Chanasya Shakya.
जो अंग रस से भरपूर सुरों की प्रस्तुति के साथ आपके सामने से गुजर रहा है नेवल चिल्ड्रंस स्कूल बैंड.
You are now witnessing the Tri-Services National Cadet Corps contingent living up to their motto of unity and discipline. The contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer M. Karnarani.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు నేషనల్ కెడెట్ కోర్ బృందాన్ని చూస్తున్నారు. వారి ఐక్యత మరియు క్రమశిక్షణ అనే నినాదానికి అనుగుణంగా సీనియర్ అండర్ ఆఫీసర్ ఎం ప్రజ్ఞారాణి నేతృత్వంలోని యువ కెడెట్లు గౌరవంగా మరియు కవాతు చేయడం మీరు చూడవచ్చు.
Passing in front of the dais are the cadets of the Sea Cadet Corps. The contingent is being led by Cadet Petty Officer P. Chandu. Established in 2007, the Organization for Counter-Terrorist Operations, also known as Octopus, is an elite Andhra Pradesh force. Crossing in front of the dais is the contingent led by Reserve Inspector K. Mahesh. Crossing the dais is the fearless law enforcement agency of the state, the Andhra Pradesh State Police Contingent.
Leading the brave sentinels is Reserve Sub-Inspector B. Ramana, 3rd Battalion, Andhra Pradesh Police.
Following right behind are the brave greyhound of Andhra Pradesh Force, led by Assistant Assault Commander A. Kashi Vishwanath.
ये ठीक पीछे आ रहे हैं आंध्र प्रदेश पुलिस बल के वीर ग्रे हाउस, जिनका नेतृत्व असिस्टेंट असॉल्ट कमांडर काशी विश्वनाथ कर रहे हैं।
भाई साहब मोबाइल फोन नीचे कीजिए प्लीज। अपना भी तो लो।
From the vast southern oceans and a proud maritime tradition, the Australian Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Commander Andrew Kerr, marches past the grandstand.
दक्षिणी महासागरों की विस्तृत परंपरा से आए ऑस्ट्रेलिया नौसेना का दल
Coming up next is the marching band from Indian Navy. The conductor of the band is Madhav Gupta, assisted the officer Christian Kerr.
भारतीय नौसेना मार्चिंग बैंड इस बैंड का निर्देशन कर रहे हैं माधव मोहन, मास्टर रजिस्टर म्यूजिशियन फर्स्ट।
From the land of rivers and a vibrant cultural legacy, the distinguished contingent of the Bangladesh Navy, led by Lieutenant Mohammad Biplab Malik, marches back past the grandstand.
बांग्ला very good
Up next, from the nation of art, romance and timeless elegance, the French Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Jeffrey Matthew, now marches past the grandstand. Defenders of the sovereignty and territorial integrity is the Emerald of the Equator, the Indonesian Navy contingent led by Lieutenant Junior Grade Kemal Hemdani, now marching past the grandstand with pride.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Speak Iranian band as they march past the grandstand, led by Lieutenant S. Gokara.
From a country steeped in rich history, ladies and gentlemen, the contingent from Iran, led by Sub-Lieutenant Mahdi Atal, was crossing the grandstand. From a nation at the crossroads of vital sea lanes, the Malaysian Navy contingent, led by Sub-Lieutenant Mohammed, marches past the grandstand. They symbolize regional cooperation and maritime vigilance.
From the island nation guarding the heart of the Indian Ocean, the Maldives National Defence Force Navy contingent, led by Captain Ashraf Nazir, marches past the grandstand with pride resolve.
Representing a nation shaped by rivers and seas, the Myanmar Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Zan Hain,
now marches past the grandstand with purpose and pride.
Very good.
From an archipelagic nation bound by the sea, the Philippine Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Commander Ronald G. Del Rosario, marches past the grandstand, embodying resilience and maritime spirit.
Representing a nation of profound history and enduring cultural heritage, the Russian contingent, led by Fleet Captain Shevchenko Kirill Tarasovich, now marches past the grandstand with strength and distinction.
The Sea Cadet Corps contingent consists an enthusiastic of marching led by Cadet Deputy Officer E. Chakravarti.
मंच के पास से गुजर रहे हैं सी कैडेट कोर बैंड की अगुवाई करें।
వేదిక ముందు వెళ్తున్న సి కెడెట్ కోర్ బ్యాండ్ కు కెడెట్ పెట్టి ఆఫీసర్ పి చక్రధర్ నాయకత్వం వహిస్తున్నారు.
From a nation deeply connected to the Indian Ocean, the Seychelles Coast Guard contingent, led by 2nd Lieutenant Benjamin Esperon, marches past the grandstand, reflecting commitment to maritime security.
From the nation at the confluence of two great oceans, the South African Navy contingent, led by Sub-Lieutenant N.N. Zuba, now marches past the grandstand with strength and resolve.
लेफ्ट राइट बहुत बढ़िया होता है खाना खाना बढ़िया खाता है.
From a close maritime neighbor in the Indian Ocean, the Sri Lankan Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Commander G.G.H. Iris, now marches past the grandstand, symbolizing friendship and shared maritime heritage.
Representing a nation with rich maritime history and cultural depth, the Royal Thai Navy contingent, led by Lieutenant Junior Grade Patipan Hanjarine, now marches past the grandstand with elegance and pride. From a nation with a rich martial history, the Vietnam People's Navy contingent, led by Sub-Lieutenant Dam Phi Trien, marches past the grandstand with determination and pride.
We now present Kuchipudi, one of Andhra Pradesh's renowned classical dance forms, known for its expressive storytelling and graceful movements. It beautifully blends devotion and artistry.
अब प्रस्तुत है कुचिपुड़ी, आंध्र प्रदेश की प्रसिद्ध शास्त्रीय नृत्य शैली। भावपूर्ण अभिनय और सुंदर मुद्राओं के माध्यम से ये भक्ति और कला का सुंदर संगम प्रस्तुत करती है। पेश है कुचिपुड़ी।
Thank you.